Hello there.
Hi. How can I help?
I have a Kenmore Elite Range 790.41023.802. I get an F95 error when the range is either preheating or cooking. I see online that it could be the door latch assembly. My question is this. The door doesn't latch when it is cooking, so how could that be the problem? Also, the display is a little messed up, as in the clock and temp appear, but some of the other lighting elements light up when the range is off. Could it be the?
Is your Kenmore range gas or electric? How old is it?
It is an electric range. I am not sure the age. It was in the house when I purchased it.
How long has this been going on with your Kenmore range? What have you tried so far?
It started about a week ago. I have reset the power. I have reset the computer to factory defaults using a procedure I found online.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I'm wondering if it could be a bad EIC instead of a latch because of the weird display. I live in Alaska, so shipping on parts is going to be killer, so I don't want to just start throwing parts at it.
The control monitors the latch all the time and something is wrong with at least the display part from your post. If the latch switches are reading properly, then the issue is with the control. Test the switches and see if they are reading open/closed when they should be. Grease buildup can cause false errors with these, so make sure you clean it if needed.
Interesting. Okay. We'll check the switches. Thanks.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.